You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today?
One of the most common of English words, an article, pronounced in English as we. You could spell it W-E-E. The spelling is W-E, but the phonetic spelling is W-E-E. We. How to pronounce we in English. English pronunciation. We pronunciation.
Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.